Every day with you is magic. Every kiss is better than the last. It's a home I've never known, a place I know will last. For a lifetime of I love yous, two hearts, one beat. You whisper to me, be mine. For a lifetime, it's the little things that make our hearts meet. It's like I can hardly breathe when you say my name. I know we've waited and we've prayed, and here we are for a lifetime. For a lifetime.
Nararamdaman ko ngayon dahil lahat ng mga mahal ko sa buhay ay nandito. Ang mga anak ko, mga apo ko, manugang ko, mga kapatid ng asawa ko na mahal ko rin, mga pamangkin.
I'm thanking the Lord for giving me this, at least this, until now, I'm still here. While
Of I love yous, two hearts, one beat. You whisper to me, be mine. For a lifetime, it's the little things that make our hearts meet. It's like I can hardly breathe when you say my name. I know we've waited and we've prayed, and here we are for a lifetime. Forever and ever for a lifetime. Forever. My soul found you and fell in